In 1898, archaeologists discovered a small wooden artifact inside an ancient Egyptian tomb near Saqqara. At first, it seemed like nothing more than a carved bird. But when experts took a closer look, they noticed something strange. Unlike normal bird sculptures, this object had straight wings and a vertical tail, features that looked surprisingly similar to a modern glider or airplane. The artifact dates back more than 2,200 years, long before humans officially learned to fly. Some researchers believe it may have been a simple toy or symbolic object. Others argue it could represent an early understanding of aerodynamics. To this day, the Saqqara bird remains one of ancient Egypt's most intriguing mysteries. Was it just a wooden bird, or evidence of ideas far ahead of its time?